The more that we invest in that creative spirit, the more and more we fully become who we are. And it gives us the confidence to believe, again, that we can make the world the way we want it. The idea that queer people could be together and be strong and be open and be loving and be able to be affectionate in public and think about our LGBTQ identity as an advantage as opposed to a liability. I think it's really important to have a time and a place where we can come together and reinforce for one another that this is the world we want to make together. Pride is a way to re-energize, reinvigorate the powerful sense of self that we can carry with us throughout the year.